I'm back. I have one use case I wanted to clarify with you. So in this tenant, I have enabled Stripe, and for one of the customers, I have added this Stripe payment method and also set for the autopay. So this card is available in the autopay. So if we go and change the payment gateway to authorize.net, we have these three options, and one of the options is disable Stripe for future one-time recurring payments. So basically this will be enabled for the existing autopay and recurring payments. Payment profile is valid, editing payment profile will not be allowed. So basically for existing payments, auto payments, it should use the Stripe, and for the future payment it should use authorize.net. But if I select this option, okay, so third option I selected, for which existing payment should get processed with Stripe, and new payment should get should use the authorize.net payment gateway. And now if I create any sales order, so for this customer, autopay is on for the, and autopay profile selected is Stripe. We have not changed it in change it to authorize.net yet. So I created a sales order. And set for approval. So sales order is uploaded and the invoice is generated. Okay, so here I'm still able to select MasterCard for the payment profile. And this should get paid on the due date. If I go here and check the invoice, let's see what we have. Okay, this customer is enrolled for autopay payment, will deduct on due date. So what is expected? Will this invoice use the payment method that has been selected at the customer level for the autopay, which is Stripe, and this Stripe is the Stripe is only enabled for the existing autopay, not for the new sales order and new recurring invoices payment. So will it get the payment will get failed on the due date, since this type is not applicable for the new payment new sales orders, or there's something else is expected? Yeah, let me know. Thank you.